pork chops right here, and I'm just gonna kind of like rinse it off. I'm just gonna drain the water out. That's all. Okay, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to just get me a paper towel, and I'm going to kind of dry or damp some of the water or that's on the pork chops, so it don't be as wet in here, so that I can put, because I will be basically frying this in the oven, but you'll see the process when I get to that. Too much water in the bowl and stuff. I like it dry, but it comes from the meat, so I don't have too much worry about it. So now the seasonings I'm going to be putting on there is, okay, the seasonings I'm going to be using is going to be Sazon Tropical, oregano leaf, get to this. So I'm just gonna open all of these up and then start putting the seasoning in there. Okay, what I'm gonna put on first is seasoning. Just gonna sprinkle it. It's kind of next season I'm going to use is this. Okay, just take a little bit. I'm just gonna kind of like mix everything together. Just gonna put it in the refrigerator. And we're gonna come back in here and get stuff when it's done. Now I already put oil in it. I'm preheating the oven to 350. Right now it's on 200. I'm gonna get the pork chops out and I'm gonna put it in the oil and batter it up with flour and then put it on the pan so it can fry in the oven. Okay, what I got is all-purpose flour, and then I'm gonna sprinkle some Creole seasoning in it just to give the flour some seasoning. It's pretty flavorful, so it ain't gonna do nothing but make it taste good. So, just gonna mix this all together. This flour, and then start battering it all. So, Okay, I'm going to be putting the pork chops in here, battering it up just like this. And then I'm going to put it right on this pan right here. Batter it up. Put it right on the pan. Batter it up. Put it right on the pan. I'm going to need 2 pans to put this on. And put it on the pan, and I'm gonna get another one and batter it up. Batter it, and then I'm just gonna put this right there. Okay, I'm gonna put this this pan in the oven and let it start cooking. What I'm doing right now is just pouring this bag of yellow rice in there, and then I'm going to pour the water in. I'm going to mix this all together. I'm going to mix this all together like that. I'm going to pour a little bit of vegetable oil in it. And then I'm going to put it on the stove to come to a boil. Left, basically, and I'm just going to pour like a little bit of oil on this pan so that the pork chops have something to cook, you know, has something to cook on, you know, so I'm just going to put this on there. And I'm just going to put the pork chop, I'm going to dip it, just dip the pork chops right in here, just like that, right in here, and I'm just going to place it right here, just like that, just place this right here, and then that's about it. All my pork chops are gone, so I'll come back when it's done. And you can see the final results of my whole dinner and everything that I'm eating. It came to a boil, so I'm just going to turn it down and let it simmer. And then I'm going to put the timer to 20 minutes. Let me cancel that right there. These pork chops already done, and the rice is done. I'm also going to make like a cucumber salad, so you'll see that with my dinner and everything looks on a plate. So I'm just waiting for the rest of my pork chops to be done. They're in the oven right now. Let me see. They're like in the oven frying right now, so about 4 of them. So I just gotta wait till they get done. I'll be back when they are. Okay, the pork chops are done. So I'm going to take the rest of the pork chops out of the oven. So I'm just going to let all this kind of like cool down. And I'm going to get dinner and make the plates and everything like that. So you see the rice and the pork chops. It came out really good. I like the way they came out. It's all about marinating it so it can taste flavorful. Okay. I got some cucumbers right here, so I'm going to just slice a couple cucumbers so I can put in my salad. Here. Let's get some. Love me some cucumbers right now at the moment. I didn't really like cucumbers like that, but I guess it's, you know, it's like some kind of pregnancy thing or whatever. But cucumbers are good, so I might continue to eat it even after I have the baby. So. Right. Okay, that's about it. I'm gonna take some carrots right here, and then I'm just gonna I'm just gonna go to the sink and rinse them off. Be right back. Okay, I have the carrots right here. I'm just gonna put them right in this bowl right here. And I'll probably get a little bit more carrots. So I'll be right back. Right here. Okay. Then I'm gonna take this is kale right here. I'm gonna take a handful of kale. I'm gonna rinse it off and just add it to my salad. Okay, I'm gonna add it in here. I'm just gonna like the big stems and everything. I'm gonna take it out, because I don't really like that texture or whatever. So I just like the leaves. I don't really like eating the stems and everything. It's just too tough. Okay, I think that's about it for the salad. I got kale in here, as well as cucumbers and also carrots. So now I'm just gonna season it with some seasonings. I'm gonna put the seasonings in the bowl. So okay, right here is the seasonings I'm gonna be using is this, and you see it's pepper, like hot pepper seasoning, just a pepper, like chili pepper seasoning. It's kind of seasoned, the side kind of went off the label, and then complete with the seasoning. So I'm just gonna take some, no real measurements. Just gonna sprinkle some on the salad, just sprinkle a little bit. That's it. And then just gonna take a little bit of this. It's kind of like sprinkle a little bit in there, right? And then we'll put a little bit of the on the inside. And then mix up, mostly for the cucumbers to be seasoning with that. Cucumbers season really good. So that's about it with that. I'm going to show you how the salad looks. This is how the salad looks right here, as you can see. I got kale, I got some cucumbers, I got carrots in there. And then I actually, season it with the seasons I showed you. So I'm just going to put a plate together, make my kids' plate, and then you'll see. These pork chops and the salad all together. That's what we're eating today. Pork chops, rice, and some salad. So I'm going to make their plates now. What I'm doing right here is making my kids' plates. And then I'm going to make my plate and my husband's. We got right here, we're making his plate. Just gonna put a little bit of rice on there, just a little bit, and then I'm gonna put some pork chops in there. Might do 1, 2, or just I think I might do one for right now. And then I'm going to get some salad. I'm going to put some salad, mix it in here. It's kind of like, I need something to pick the salad up with. I think this would be a lot better. It's kind of hard to deal with this little tongue thing, but I think this will do just fine. Okay, I think that would be about it. I'm just gonna can a little bit more cucumbers. I think that would be about it. A little bit. Yeah, I think that's it right there. I'm going to put a little potato salad in this bowl. Just going to put like a little small portion of potato salad in there. And that's going to be this plate. Just going to put a plate here. Keep the plate right here. Plate. So now I'm just going to make my plate right quick. Just going to get 1 pork chop. And I'm going to get some salad in there. All of it. That's about it. That's what I'm eating. I'm not eating any rice or anything like that. That's what I'm going to be eating.